Friends, I hope you're doing well. And here PSD party flares for printing. That's mean these are CMYK color. But these are protected. First you need subscription for SSMIOL file. Go to sheriskpwd.com. Here 3 days membership, 90 days and lifetime with all premium stock content. Okay. You see here is just preview and here our main file. Layer mockup and here main file. Same thing. Tournament. Merry Christmas. And here main file. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.